Hello Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen DIY, and if this is your first time here, welcome. Now you guys, in today's video we are going to be doing about 5 different DIYs. That sounds like something you're going to be interested in. Keep watching. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright Glamettes, let's get this video started. Welcome back. In today's video we are doing, I think, about 5 different types of DIYs in this video, and as you can see, I'm here in TT the princess room. So I'm going to drop a link on the screen, you guys, to show you. She saw this bed, you guys, that she wanted, but when we went and looked at the bed, the quality of the bed, it was actually like a particle board made bed, extremely poor quality, with a $6,000 price tag on it. So I told her that I can create her the same look with her bed here. So what I'm going to be using for this DIY, I'm going to do, I have a Dollar Tree gift bag that we're going to cover this back up with, you guys. I also have that self-adhesive bling wrap that we're going to be doing. We're going to be taking these bling strips and we're just going to highlight the bed. So we're going to just include bling strips and some of the bag in the space to give her this mantle to look like the bed. Now, with that being said, you guys, thank you guys for rocking with your girl. I know I have been MIA, but not MIA here on the platform, here on my channel. I've been semi-MIA, you guys. It's your girl trying to fully bounce back. We're going to get TT bed done according to the inspiration. We're finna jump right into these DIYs. I've pre-cut my pieces. I have strips of 6 and strips of 4s, and I think I'm gonna need one more strip of 6. And you guys, this bling wrap here is actually from TEMU, and I will tell you, and this is that crystal AB. It is fabulous, but it is also self-adhesive. I will put the link for this down in the description box. And once again, this is just a regular gift bag from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this, and I do need one more roll. And my voice goes and comes, you guys, but I'm going to turn on the music. You follow me along because we got real life going on, and I'm not trying to pick up all of the extra, but here are my pieces. We're going to need the scissors and also my glue as well. What I'm doing first is I'm just taking that strip of the 4 and we're just coming around the top portion of the bed. And once again, this is going to be a very quick, simple, and easy DIY because my pieces are self-adhesive. And we're going to repeat that on the other side. I am going to add that same trim here all the way across. So I'll have to cut some more for that as well. But that is what it's looking like. for the next DIY, you guys, where you see the 2 gold plates, we're going to make those silver. Alright, you guys, we have this bag here. It's already been cut and used, but this is a whole one that we're going to need for those 2 sides. But we're not through cutting. So we have that. Now I'm going to repeat this 2 more times so I can get this side and this side out, you guys. I have all of my pieces cut, and I am going to be using my Mod Podge to glue them on. I'm going to use my Mod Podge to secure these down. And because I didn't have anything here, I'm going to make sure that I actually heavily coat this one as well. And I'm going to still line this up on my edges as well. We're going to still let that finish drying, but I'm going to do the next DIY. You guys, here's where that strip of the 6 come into play. With that next strip of the 6, we are going to outline all of the spaces. That is the assignment. Alright, you guys, that is what that's looking like. I'm telling you, this is extremely gorgeous standing back on it. And with what we are doing in the space, I think she's gonna love it. But you know me, we're not through yet. For the next DIY, we are using that TEMU, and I call this that beat metal look, but it's mirrored glass as well, and it's self-adhesive, and we're going to use it. So I need a strip of 4. Going to be doing with this piece is my trimming here. We're going to add it there. So it's going to go in the space like this, you guys. And all I'm doing is I'm heightening or elevating the look and breaking up some of all of the white. That's all we're doing. We're just breaking up some of that white. And once again, this is self-adhesive. I'm going to drop the link for these down in the description, but these are items that I did actually purchase from TEMU. That's it. We're going to do it for the other side as well, but that looks gorgeous. Alright, you guys, I had 2 more things that we were going to do in this space. Well, I'm sorry, 1 more thing. I'm not going to do it because I don't want it to fight against each other. As you can see, I got this here, and I may pull it off, but I was going to line up all of this all the way across again with this here. And looking at this and this, I don't want them to clash. And I do have more of this, but this is the AB, which it throws off of the pink color from what's in TT's going in her space, and I don't want to change it up to the actual clear. So with that being said, we're gonna stop this DIY here. We're gonna still bring you back because we got a couple more little tweaks of some stuff that we are adding in her space to make sure that she completely loves her princess room makeover. Make sure you are catching out her home is to see the room reveal of the room. And with that being said, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you guys in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.